Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you probably want to know the best ways to remove bikini area hair without any fuss. Today, we're covering everything from shaving to waxing, and I'm sharing some tips to help you achieve smooth skin without the pain or hassle. So let's jump right in. Let's start with the easiest and quickest method, shaving. It's super popular because it's fast, but if you don't do it right, it can lead to irritation or cuts, especially in the bikini area. So, let's make sure you get it right. First things first, always use a fresh razor. A clean, sharp razor is a game changer. You'll avoid nicks and cuts and get a much smoother result. I recommend using a razor with a moisturizing strip to help protect your skin as you shave. Before you even think about shaving, exfoliate. Use a gentle scrub or exfoliating glove to get rid of dead skin cells. This helps prevent ingrown hairs and makes the shaving process smoother. Just remember, gentle is the key here. No need to scrub like you're buffing a car. Next, apply shaving cream or gel. This is crucial for reducing friction and protecting your skin. Don't skip this step. Then shave in the direction of hair growth. This minimizes irritation and prevents the dreaded razor bumps. Alright, if shaving isn't your thing, let's talk about Brazilian waxing. A lot of people swear by it for longer lasting smoothness. And while it's not pain-free, the results can be totally worth it. Let's break down how to do it right. First, you need to choose the right wax. Hard wax is a great option for sensitive skin, especially in the bikini area. It doesn't stick to your skin as much as soft wax, so it's less likely to cause irritation. And make sure your hair is long enough, about 1/4 inch. Too short and the wax won't grab it, too long and it could hurt more. Apply the wax in the direction of your hair growth and then press the fabric strip over it. Smooth it down and give it a second to set. The trick is to pull the strip off quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth and make sure you're pulling the skin taut with your other hand. That's the secret to minimizing the pain. Now some of you might be wondering, should you do this at home or go to a professional? If it's your first time, I would recommend seeing an esthetician. They're experienced and can make the whole process much quicker and more comfortable. Plus, they're pros at minimizing discomfort. If you're feeling brave and want to try it yourself, there are home waxing kits available. Just make sure to follow the instructions closely and practice a little patience. If you're nervous, start with a small area and see how it goes. Not into waxing or shaving? No problem. There are other methods you can try, like laser hair removal. It's a little pricier, but it's a great long-term solution. After a few sessions, you can expect permanent hair reduction, and the process is way less painful than waxing. Laser hair removal targets the hair follicles and reduces growth over time. Just keep in mind that it can take multiple treatments to really see results. But if you're looking for something more permanent, it's worth considering. Once you've finished removing the hair, the aftercare is just as important. Whether you've shaved, waxed, or used any other method, your skin needs a little TLC. After shaving, apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel to calm the skin. This helps with redness and irritation. If you've just waxed, avoid tight clothing and hot showers for at least 24 hours. Your skin will be a little more sensitive, so give it time to recover. Before we wrap things up, here are a few quick tips for perfect bikini hair removal every time. 1. Exfoliate regularly to avoid ingrown hairs. 2. Moisturize your skin daily to keep it soft and hydrated. And 3. After waxing or shaving, avoid tight clothes, especially if you're going to be sitting for a while. With the right technique and a little care, you can keep your bikini area smooth, soft, and hair-free for weeks. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope these tips help you feel more confident and ready to tackle your bikini hair removal routine. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-care tips. And if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. See you next time.